I'm Evan Lazarus, Chief Knowledge Officer for T3Live.com. You don't become a great trader by watching videos and taking courses. You become a great trader through live screen time. Accelerate that learning curve by tapping into the experience of seasoned professionals. Currently, we're offering 5-day free trials to each of our 4 mentoring rooms. In the mentoring rooms, we teach our strategies in the context of the live market. To sign up for a free trial, go to the T3 Live education page, fill out the form, and get started when the next trading session begins. We hope to see you in one of our mentoring rooms.
Good afternoon, everybody. This is Steve Levay with your T3 Live halftime report. Currently, we got a market that's up 15 on the S&Ps, up 90 on the Dow, and up 28 on the NASDAQ. Funny, I remember the last video I did on Monday, I was talking about how this market was looking like it was doomsday, and here we are 2 days later, and we're right back where we were probably on Friday before we sold off. So, got to be very flexible in this market. Again, if you didn't read my blog post on T3Live.com, make sure you look for that. Flexibility is key in this market, gang. And again, for today, let's talk about some of the stocks that I looked at. First off, an amazing move in UniPixel, UNXL. 2 ways you could have looked at this trade, gang. First way was the 5-minute high-low trade. And again, if you don't know the 5-minute high-low trade, take a walk over to the T3Live.com website and sign up for a free week with the Momentum Chat Room with Mike Lee and myself, and you will learn that trade to perfection. But here is a 5-minute high trade on UNXL. The high was 22.50. And again, for the first 15 or so minutes, we got a nice little wedge right here. And then it broke out from that 5-minute high, made a nice bar up to about 23.5, bull flagged right here, and then exploded almost to 25. Been a very, very good trading vehicle for me today. And I plan on being in it again later this afternoon. Right now, as you can see, it's starting to build what looks to be a rounding bottom. One sign that I saw that made me think the top was in for at least the morning was this big move up followed by a couple of red bars. I was looking at it right here, and I was thinking to myself there might be a short through 24, and of course it went through. I didn't really react on it. Fell to 22.84, and now it's just rounding itself out here. Probably going to look to pick some up. This gives me a green bar towards around like 23.75, but we'll see what happens in the afternoon. Again, UNXL has been a very good back-and-forth vehicle today, so we'll see what happens with that one. Another one that I'm looking at today for a decent move is FIVE. I posted about this yesterday in the, on Twitter, and I was talking about it in my game plan. Here's a stock that basically opened up, gave me a beautiful ascending triangle. It's still really just holding up this pattern here above 40 and a quarter. Through the highs on a nice push on some volume, and this thing goes right to 41 or 42. I think this stock, I'm long some options right now. I think this stock has potential. It's been very strong when the market was weak. So again, we'll have to see what happens. And even when, look what we're getting here. Just some small consolidating bars here. Just got to wait for a little volume to come in and take this stock higher. Also looking at, of course, the 3D printer stocks. Let's take a look at DDD first. DDD set up a nice rising trend line here off the bottom. And what we saw and what we know about DDD is earnings day high was 36.59, and we're printing above that at the moment. That is pretty good resistance right there. I'd like to see this stock get to 37 and really clear resistance and give us a ride back up to the 40 level. It's holding very strong right now, but if we break down below 36 again, I'm afraid this stock may run out of gas. We'll have to see what happens with it. Again, 36.59 is the level. SSYS, again, same thing, riding a trend line higher. The stock has been beaten down more than any of the other stocks in the sector, so it's probably due a nice run. I would like to see this thing. It has earnings on Monday. I would like to see this stock get to about 70 pre-earnings. That would be a nice little move for it, and then see what happens come Monday morning. Last one that I looked at was XONE. Again, very tight consolidation around 25.5, 25, 26.5 in that dollar range. But today, I'm looking for it to go up. We just got a little bit of a breakdown on low volume off of 26.40. Before I got on, I was looking at this kind of move. You know, we got a nice bull flag, and all of a sudden it just broke that bull flag. So at this point, I'm just going to sit back and wait for something to happen with it. I'm currently long a feeler of XOne, so it's not really going to hurt me one way or the other, but I am surprised I just got that red bar action. We'll have to see what happens later in the day. So with that, gang, I will talk to everybody on the VTF. Again, if you need to learn that 5-minute high-low trade, that's where you want to be. You want to be in the momentum chat of T3Live.com with Mike Lee and myself, and you will learn that very, very good trading strategy. With that, everybody, have a great day. I'll talk to you all on the VTF.
I'm Mark Sperling, Director of Trading with T3 Trading Group and contributor to T3 Live. Do you trade on your own, but you wish you enjoyed the benefits of a large trading floor? With the T3 Live virtual trading floor, we deliver that experience to you on your computer. On the VTF, you can follow the long and short positions of experienced professional traders like myself, Scott Redler, and others, and listen to our live radio stations as we navigate the markets. In addition, you get the added value of a large community of sophisticated and like-minded traders. Your membership to the virtual trading floor also includes access to our 2 very popular newsletter products, Off the Charts and the Price Point Sheet at no additional cost. In my opinion, joining the room will be the best trading decision you will ever make. I would like to invite you to begin your membership with a 7-day free trial. To get started, visit T3Live.com and click on the Virtual Trading Floor tab. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you in the VTF.